So welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to do an unboxing for Amazon, so I'm going to do it right now. So today I got something really cool that everybody would need for bedtime, but I'm not sure if you want it. But this is based on your decision on this product I'm going to show you guys. So yeah. I'm going to open it from here so you won't, so everything will be good when I'm doing it right here. So, I don't know why, it does not want to open on the first try. So the second try I have to work? Oh, that's interesting. So here is, if you're sleeping on your side, this would be good for you. For side sleepers, I'm one of the side sleepers. This is what you can get. So I'm just gonna open it very carefully because this is a really nice packaging. I don't want to. It's not opening. Hold on, let me try again. So there you go. Now you have to just open this part, and it's really. So here's your before packaging, and this what happens after packaging. So this is 100% silk sleep mask. So let's see what it looks like. And it's adjustable too, so let's see. So here it is, the sleep mask. And here's the strap right here. This is where you can adjustable. You can adjust your strap for it. That's pretty cute. Like, and they come with, I don't know, that and a thank you message. It's a warranty card, maybe. Probably. This is a warranty card, so if you guys it is not working right, you can get this right. Need it then, you can use the email right here on the back. Do you see the yellow line? That's the email you can use when it's not returnable, like when it's not working. Yeah. So here's the booklet of like how they started their journey using the silk sleep mask. It'll be very helpful for starting tonight. I'm gonna use it. If you like this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Dad out.